Good morning students. Today we'll be doing the doubts of 5.2 in which you have asked me if you have asked me only for the third and fifth question. So in this these questions are very simple to do it. In this question it's very simple. You just have to make a circle because it's already given you the percentage and you have to make the pie chart on this percentage. What you will have to do is that make a circle because the complete circle is of 360 degree. You need to use your D and you will place one point and draw one line like radius of the circle, and you will put your D on that and measure the 40 degree from that point and make that line like as it is given you that this is a point and this is a radius. If you will put the D on this line, so you'll see that this will be a straight line and you know that it comes at the 90 degree angle. So when it is completed from 0 to 90, so it means that is 90 degree angle, mention it 90 and write it maths. Same for this, if it would be 40, so you will make a radius here and you will start from here to here, that here it is coming till here till 40, and then you will mention it's 40 and you have mentioned the item that is food. Then from that 40 degree you will keep your D and then measure it for more 20, so it will maybe come like till here. So then you will make it a 20 degree and write there the clothes, and then you will put it on the 20s line and then you will measure it for the 10, and rest of also you have to do like this. Then your the third question is that Jeevan's report card state his marks as follow. You have to see that and you have to make, because these are the only marks according to 360, you have to make it also in angles. So how you will make it, see in this, that it's given you here subject, here marks. You have to do only this calculation to make a circle and pie chart. It is 60, the total marks of all the marks will be 300. So you will write here 60, then upon 300 and multiply or divide it with the 360. If you will cut all the zeros from this, like this 10 to this, from all, because these are bottoms and 360 are same, then divide the denominator and numerator, and here I got here 6 and here 12. So 6 and 6 cutted by this 360 36 6 times. So 6 1 is 6 and 6 6 is 36, so 12 6 is 72. So here I got 72. Then it is 55 upon 300, so 0 cutted by 0, so it's left with 30 and here 36. So you will divide 55 and 30, it will come here 11 and 6. Then 6 by 36, it will give you 6. So 11 6 is 66. Like this you have to do the calculation and then you make a circle, and according to, as I explained you, fifth question you have to do this. If you have any doubt in this, you can check this the calculation by adding them, and if this addition of this calculation comes 360, it means your solution is also correct. Thank you.